Barbara Masinde ayiri okushaba oku amushomo gw'ekiro kimwe gutebeekanisibwe ekitongole kya government ekya Directorate of Public Prosecutions ahari Gongo Country Hotel omu Rurembo Mbarara. Omushomo ogu gwetabirwemu bakuru ba polisi ab'ebihome n'abanyabiragiro ababugwizoba kandi gubiire gugenderire kutendeka abakuru aba okuba kubasa kukoresa ofisi zaabo kurwanisa endwara ya siriimu ey'akakonko n'omushwija omu bihome.
So all the people who are responsible for interacting with suspects at police and prisons were invited to this meeting. Why? To bridge the gap of knowledge in terms of human rights, as well as those barriers which we are saying are impeding access, uptake and retention of health services in the criminal justice system. So that was the major area we were addressing, to share information, build the capacity, so that as we go forward implementing the program, the heads of the districts in all the different institutions are aware of their role.
Okurijirira ha reporter eshomrwe Dr. Shaban Mugerwa orukora n'akakiiko ka Uganda AIDS Commission okujanjara kw'endwara ya siriimu omu bihome kuri aha bucweka 15 ahari Ghana kandi egi neekiraho emirundi 3 aha kujanjara kw'ihanga ryona.
That's why we are saying, why is it 3 times the national average? In the prison setting, you find the prevalence of HIV slightly higher, meaning these suspects or inmates are more vulnerable to HIV compared to the general population. That's why this project was designed to, are there barriers to accessing services that these people are facing, and therefore they are not benefiting from the funding from the global fund, but also government of Uganda funding. So that's why we have singled them out and said let us now work together.
Abahona nibagira ngu omushwija gw'ensiri n'akakonko nabyo nibyeyongera omu bihome bya Uganda.
I felt bad when that was said, but it's a fact. So we appreciate those who are giving us the fund, but should we remain, the question, should we remain on the list of the negative things? No. So you are charged to go back and fight, to go off that list.
Colleagues, I say human rights is very, very complicated. Because the solution would be that can't this person be isolated? And okay, assuming that the person is isolated, can this person not be stigmatized?
Our TV WestNehinda Abdulkarim Sengendo.